Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about division of polynomials. Okay, in the last couple of videos, we talked about multiplication of polynomials, addition of polynomials, and definition of polynomials in general. But in this video, we will be looking at division of polynomials. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to divide polynomials. Okay, please, if you are new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscription button so you receive a copy of our videos whenever we upload one. Okay, so this is the fourth in the series of polynomial lesson we are discussing. So please subscribe and God bless you. Division of polynomials follows from the division of ordinary numbers. Okay, so remember, if you want to divide say you want to divide 96, you want to divide 96 by, let's say, 6. So you use the long division algorithm here. 96 will be in the division symbol, 6 will be outside, so you say 6 and 9. 6 is 9 is 1, 6 times 1 is 6. If you subtract that, you have 3. Bring down 6, it becomes 36. 6 and 36, you have 6. 6 times 6, you have 36. Subtract 36 from 36, you have 0. So therefore you say 96 equal to 6 times 16, or you say 96 divided by 6 equal to 16. Okay, so this is the long division algorithm. We also divide polynomials in this way. It's just that we use the leading term of the divisor to divide a polynomial. Here 96 is our number, let's say it's p of x, and 6 is the divisor, and the and 16 is the quotient. Okay, quotient. Okay. So this, let's call this q of x, and then this is, we call that one d of x. It's called d of x, and this is q of x. Okay, now if you divide a polynomial p of x by a divisor d of x, your answer should be q of x, the quotient, plus the remainder. Okay, so p of x divided by d of x equals to q of x plus r of x, and r of x is called the remainder. R of x equals to the remainder. Okay, so, or you can also write it this way: p of x equal to q of x multiplied by d of x plus r of x. Okay, so where p of x is the polynomial, okay, or q of x is the quotient, and d of x is the divisor, and r of x is the remainder. Okay, so let's look at an example here. So in the example, how do you divide? Okay, look at this example. Perform the following division and express each result in the form dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. We are asked to perform this division, so let's pick the first one. We pick A. 12,564 divided by 28. So you draw your division line. 28 will be outside. We have 12,564 outside. If you divide 28 in 125, 28 in 125 should give us like let's say 3. 28 times 3, 2 times 8 we have 24, 3 times 2 which is 6, plus 2 we have 84, is more than, let's say 4. 28 times 4, 4 times 8 we have 32, 3, 4 times 2 we have 8, 8 plus 3 become 11. So if we subtract this, we have 3 here, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So bring down 6. 28 in 36, this one was 4, let's say this one would be like 5. Okay, 28 times 5 times 8 is 40, 4 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is more than, so it's 4. 112, subtract as well, 6 minus 2 we have 4, 3 minus 1 we have 2, 24, bring down of 4. So 28 in 244, 28 times 10 is 280, okay, 280. So let's say this is 8, okay, 8 times 8 we have 64, carry 6, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 24. Then you subtract this, you have 0. So the divisor, the dividend is 12,564 equal to the divisor. Divisor is 28 multiplied by the quotient, which is 448, plus the remainder. The remainder is 0. So we just have 28 multiplied by 448. Okay, and that is it. Now, for each of the following, show by division that the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Okay, remember I told you you do division of polynomial the same way you do division of ordinary number. Okay, but in a polynomial you are going to be using the first term of the divisor to divide the dividend. Okay, so let's look at A. So in A we have x raised to the power 3 plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so our divisor here is x plus 2. So to divide this polynomial, we are going to be using x to divide. Okay, so you pick you pick the highest power of x of the variable to divide your polynomial. So we are going to be using x to divide this polynomial. Okay, so let's watch as we go. So we draw our division symbol, and then we write the dividend inside, x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So our divisor is going to be x. Okay, so that will give us x in x raised to the power 3, we have x squared. So if you multiply x squared times x, we have x cubed. Then use 2 to multiply 2 times x squared, we have 2x squared. So by the time you subtract this from the first two polynomials, x cubed minus x cubed will give you 0, or minus times plus is minus. 5x squared minus 2x squared will have 3x squared. Then you bring down plus 5x. Okay, so divide again using x, the first step. X in 3x squared will give us plus 3x. So multiply again, x times plus 3x will give us plus 3x squared, plus 2 times 3x we have 6x. And then if you subtract again, we have this one becomes 0. 5 minus 6x will give us minus x. Then you bring down 2 again, minus 2. So x in minus x will give us minus 1. Okay, so if you multiply, you have minus x plus 2 times minus 1 minus 2. So and that times is that we have 0. So of course x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to the divisor, which is x plus 2 multiplied by the quotient, which is x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 4, okay, and the remainder is 0. So x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2, and then we conclude it. Okay, let's look at the second one. 2x cubed minus x squared, 2x cubed minus x squared. So we look at the second one. 2x cubed minus x squared plus 1. 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. So we have 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, that is what we have here. Divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, so you draw the division symbol, write the divisor outside, and write the dividend inside of x squared plus 2x minus 1. So now our divisor in this case, we are going to use the term with the highest power of x, which is 2x. Okay, yep. So we are using 2x. So 2x, we divide term by term. 2x into x cubed will give us x. 2x times x cubed, x, we have 2x cubed minus 1 times x, we have minus x, and then if you subtract, we have 0 here, minus x squared, and then 2x minus times minus is plus, 2x plus x, we have plus 3x. So if we divide this now, 2x and minus x squared, we're going to have, let's check what we have there. Let's check what we have. Did I copy this thing correctly? 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. Yeah, correctly copy. So 2x in minus x squared, this will give us minus 1 over 2x, because this is just like saying minus x squared all over 2x, which is minus x times x over 2x, and if x cancel x, we have minus 1 over 2x, and that is what we have there. So if you multiply, you have that minus x squared minus 1 over 2x. Okay, so if you subtract this, what you are going to have, this is plus, minus times minus is plus. So if you subtract this one will cancel. 3 plus 1 over 2, that is 6 plus 1 over 2, which is 7 over 2. So here we have 7 over 2. No, that should be subtraction. So 3 minus 1 over 2 should be 6 minus 1 over 2, which is 5 over 2. So here we have 5 over 2x, then bring down minus 1. Okay. Yeah. Now 2x in 5 over 2x, we have 5 over 2x divided by 2x, that will give us 5x over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2x, and this will cancel. Okay, so we have 5 over 4. So this is 5 over 4 here. And if we multiply 5 over 4 times 2x, give us 5 over 2x, minus 1 times 5 over 4 will give us minus 5 over 4, and by the time we subtract, we'll be having this one will cancel this one, minus times minus, so 5 over 4 minus 1, that is 5 minus 4 over 1, this is 5 minus 4 over 4, which is 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. So therefore, for this polynomial, the divisor is the polynomial 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to the divisor 2x minus 1 multiplied by the quotient, which is x squared, x squared minus 1 over 2x plus 5 over 4 plus the remainder. The remainder is 1 over 4. Okay, and we have that. So 2x minus 1 is not a factor. It's not a factor of p of x, okay, because there is a remainder. So guys, this is how to divide polynomials. Very simple and straightforward. Each polynomial p of s, express each polynomial p of s as a product of 3 linear factors, given that each of s is one of these factors. Okay. Now, what we are going to be doing is to divide p of x by h of x. Okay. So p of x divided by h of x. For a, we have h of x to be x minus 1, and p of x is x raised to power 3 plus 4r squared plus x minus 6. So we are going to divide these guys, and the divisor is going to be x. So x in x cubed, we have x squared times x, we have x cubed, minus 1 times x squared, we have minus x squared. Then you subtract correspondingly. So minus times minus is plus 4 plus 1, 5x squared. Bring down x, so we have plus x. So x in 5x squared we have plus 5x, and if you multiply you have 5x minus 5x. So if you subtract that, you're going to have minus times minus is plus 5x plus 1x, we have 6x. So if you bring down minus 6, there we have x in 6x, we have plus 6, x times 6, we have 6x minus 6, and if you subtract that, you have 0. Okay, so we can write this polynomial, therefore s raised to power 3 plus 5x plus 6 can be written as the divisor x minus 1 multiplied by the quotient, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then we have the product. The remainder is 0. Okay, let's take the second one. P of x in this case is 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus minus x plus 6. Okay, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6. So inside our divisor, we are going to have 2x cubed minus, I don't copy that correctly, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6. So we have 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6, and the divisor there, the divisor h of x is 2x minus 3. So we have 2x minus 3. So our divisor here is going to be this, and then let us see how we can divide. So 2x in 2x cubed will give us x squared, 2x squared, 2x times 2x squared multiply, now we have 2x cubed minus 1 times x squared, we have minus x squared. Okay, subtract that. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed will give us 0. Minus times minus, we have plus, minus 5x squared plus x squared, we have minus 4x squared. So if we bring down minus x, we bring down one term at a time. Okay, so 2x in minus 4x squared, that should be minus 2x. Okay, if we multiply, you have minus 4x squared, minus times minus, there is plus 2x. If you subtract, we're going to have minus times minus plus, this one will cancel each other, minus times plus, we have minus x minus 2x, with minus 3x, and if you break down 6, and then 2x in minus 3x, 2x in minus 3x, that should be minus 3 over 2. Okay, and then if we multiply, we have minus 3x, okay, minus 3 over 2. So if we subtract this, we are going to be having yeah, of course this one will cancel, so 6 plus 3 over 2 That will be 12 plus 3 over 2, which is 15 over 2. Okay, so here we have 15 over 2. So therefore, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6 equal to the divisor 2x minus 1 multiplied by the quotient, which is x squared minus 2x minus 3 over 2 plus the remainder, which is 15 over 2. Okay, and we have it written and the problem is solved, guys. So express this polynomial P of s as the product of the three linear factors given that each of s is one of the factors. Okay, now 2 of x minus 3. Oh good. So I have copied the question wrongly here. It should have been a factor, so but I use 1 instead of 1. Okay, so let us just change this to 1. Okay, because we have used or minus 1 over there. Okay, so that is the answer, guys. It is the answer. So I want to check if I have not copied this one wrong. Yeah. So let us move on to the next example. Example number 3. Okay. Find the quotient and the remainder for each of the following division. Okay. For A, draw your division line, write the divisor outside, write the dividend inside. Minus 27x minus 18. Okay, so now our divisor here is going to be 3x minus 1. Okay, so 3x is going to be 3x. So 3x and 3x cubed, we have x squared. So if you multiply, we have 3x cubed minus 2 times x squared, we have minus 2x squared. And then if we subtract this, subtract to good, so we can bring down minus 27x. 3x and minus 27, we have minus 9. Multiply, we have minus 27x plus 18. So we can bring down this 18 here, so we have minus here. So minus times minus plus, this one will cancel, and 18 minus 18 minus 18, we have minus 36. So we have to find the quotient and the remainder. So the quotient q of x equals to 3x minus 2, and the remainder r of x equals to minus 36. Okay, take the second one, minus 6x cubed plus x squared. For B, we'll draw our division symbol. We have the divisor outside and the dividend inside, plus x squared plus 4x plus 3. So if we divide this, guys, 2x in minus 6x cubed, we have minus 3x squared. So if we multiply, we have minus 6x cubed minus 3x squared, and then subtract to give us 4x squared. Alright, minus times minus is plus, or 3 plus 1, we have 4x squared, so we can bring down 4x. So 2x and 4x squared, we have plus 2x. So if you multiply, we have 4x squared plus 2x, and then we can divide that to give us 2x plus 3. So 2x and 2x, we have 1. 2x times 1, we have 2x plus 1, and then if we subtract that, we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. So here, guys, the quotient is minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, and the remainder is 2. Okay, so I think we messed up something here. The quotient of number A the quotient of number A is x squared minus 9. Okay, yeah. So this is all we have, guys. This is how to divide polynomials. Very simple and straightforward. We use the term with the highest power in the divisor to divide the polynomial, and then you can write the polynomial as a product of the quotient and the divisor plus the remainder. You have. See you in the next video. Bye.